So hello everyone, the title for our project is Augmented Reality in Real Estate. So these are my group members and we are using augmented reality technology from the Viforia, and also we are using the Unity game engine and a voice controlled cloud based machine learning AI bot. So the primary objective of our project is to create real world augmented reality application and mixed reality application that can be used for boosting the sales by impressing the client so much. So we are creating the beautiful app which will fit for commercial demonstration to potential customers. So this video will take you through all of our project, what we have done in our project. So let's get started. So this is the view from the normal camera. Here you can see that no activity is done on these types of papers. So when we use the augmented reality camera, we will be able to see the two buttons over here, one over here and one over here, and we will able to see the one plane over here, which will take us through the demo of our company. And this there will be two buttons, one for the start video and one for the stop video. This will be completely virtual buttons, so you have to press that buttons on the paper, not on the mobile phone or the screen. So this is the second paper of our house model 1. So in this one, by normal camera you won't able to see anything, but by using AR camera we will able to see the house model 1, which we are augmenting on this paper. Also you will be able to see the virtual buttons which we are adding here and there. So that buttons will be for removing the roof, replacing the roof, changing into the day mode, night mode, replacing the garage, removing the garage, like that. And this is the third paper of our house model 1, which will take you through the first person 3D view. Here will be the one button which will take you through the first person 3D view, and by clicking on that you will be able to see the house. You will be able to look the house from inside. And so this is the paper 1 of house 2. This will do the same action like paper 1 of house 1, like uh, taking the video, taking us through the demo video. This is the second thing, or second paper of our house 2. This will augment the second house model. And this is the third paper of house 2, which will take you through the first person 3D mode of house 2. So you can see that this is so here you can see that this is the first model of our application, and this is the first house model. And I am sending the commands to the with.ai. So I sent change to night mode, and it changed. You can see that it changed to night mode. Again I am sending some commands, voice commands, to our application. So I sent now remove the roof, and it is removing the roof, as you can see in this video. And again I am sending the new command for this, which is the uh, which is converting into the night light to the daylight. So I am using that command, and in this one here you can see that it is converted into the day mode. And also I am sending now the replace the roof. So you can see that here they have replaced the roof according to the wait.ai. It sends to the wait.ai and it replaced the roof. So here you can see that a second beautiful house model of our augmented reality real estate app. I am again sending the commands to the with.ai, that is remove the roof. It is you can see that roof has been removed. Then I am sending the another command, that is change to night mode. So it is sending again to the with.ai, and it has changed to the night mode. And again I am sending the command that change to day mode. So it has changed to day mode. So this very first is the intro scene, and we are now augmenting our virtual button of enter into the first person 3D mode. So here you can see there is a we have pressed continue button, and here you can navigate our joystick to around the house. You can play along this, and you can see the house from the inside, that how is the house. And also we have added the colliders to the walls, so that a user could not pass through the walls. User should not able to pass through the walls. So here you can see that this is the second floor of our house, and these are the some rooms, or we can say that bedrooms, and this is the balcony of our home. And these are these are the rooms. You can see that how beautifully they have augmented. And